Now, good morning, my good people. And Niger we dey, and for the Niger we dey so, nothing where I know they see. So I can't say make I share this story when happen for Delta State. And Delta State now this one happen. I say as my eyes see him, not be only my eye go see him. I beg, make una help me hear this story. You see this man where they by right so, and this other old man. I never see men when no get shame reach them. You see this small girl, stand up, stand up. You see this small girl so, we stand so. Now in this man go marry for Delta. He come dey claim now say man say na the girl papa na him give this small girl whenever reach 12 years old give am marry. He carry the girl all the way from Delta State come Edo come Ekpoma. They proud say man na a wife. Now we take old them like this now. As I finish this video, na area command, na police station, now we dey carry them they go. Make police end the matter. As soon as see this country we will do so. No, now different story. Now we dey see. So I say I beg, make una help me make this video go viral. No, this one na rape oh. Now rape case be this. I don't know how to talk. Small girl sit down. So now the man face be this. Look at video and wait. I wanna see this man. See him. See him. See this old man. For this kind of small girl. Girl we reach to be their grandchild. I beg this one. They do this one. Oh. They do this one. Oh. I beg. Wanna help me? Thank you.
Hello, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Stella B Reality TV. If this is your first time, my dear, please consider the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that anytime I upload the video here, you will be the first to watch it. Thank you so much, guys. As you do that, God bless you. Please click the like button. As you watch this video, comment now, leave a comment. It will not take anything from you. It will not take anything from you. You are entitled to your opinion. Please leave a comment. Through comments, people that will still watch the video, they will learn something. Thank you so much. As you do this, God bless you. So this video, my dear, now concerning one man from Edo when travel go Delta State, go say he won't go marry. Can't go marry one smally, one young girl when just there, I think other age. The girl, they say he never even reach out. Now see the picture now. The girl never even reached 12 years when this man go marry. So the man now come they talk, say now the girl parents for Delta State now give the girl, hand over the girl, give him, make him marry. Okay, even if you want to say marry, you're not going to see wait make it still reach 16 years or may it still reach 18 years. The girl too small now. The Nigeria, hey God do. Nothing wey we not go see. It means the level of the hunger when they Nigeria now don't increase reach like that. Wey parents una not come dey wait make una daughter mature again before una dey give the heart now for marriage. It's really annoying. Come see the girl is too small, underage. Thank God say na beer parlour when this man dey now dey happy say go marry. Thank God say na beer parlour when this man dey now dey happy say he don't go marry or see a wife. Now there when people come dey ask us who be your wife, because they be say go bring the girl as nanny. Maybe go they they help her, they help your wife. They think say you even get wife for us. Now he come say na your wife be this. So people say oh now so one bros come take on the video they say you who be your wife? This small girl say yes, say just the marry and the console from Delta State. The level of hunger when they Nigeria don't reach like this, my people. Mama, papa, make una say the body one will not go fit train now. Una just bring pikin come this world, come suffer. Biko, ogini, dienyoi. Dienyoi. Why una not go fit give born the one way be so una power rich? Why? Okay, mama, papa, you no come see say okay. I know say now you no get money again to take send this girl go school. Her place hand work there. Hungry go chop bit una so una won't go chop sand. Let put the girl for work at least before she reach that kind 18 or 17 years. She go don't learn finish. The girl is just too small. She's too young. which experience now this girl now get now when be say I don't know when want to go handle that kind mashoma. No be so beat that man go they beat this girl for house. Now so beat this man go they beat this small girl for house. Now because which sense now this small girl when never reach 12 years now get when be say he won't just go the chop for bindi fruit from her age. He won't go the you know the man won't just go the chop her hampo, won't go the disgwagwa hampo as the girl small rich. Person see the reach age of something before he practice now, as in before he do am, the girl too small. Small girl when be say water of this thing never even dry for her head. And the man is very happy. I don't know what those evil people. If you not just see small girl like this, now somebody go they do. You want to say you not see any mature girl, you not see girl from 18 years, you not see from 19, 20 up. And this man when me don't tell you now go there that kind 33 years, you go carry girl of 12 years saying you want marry and you don't marry, and the parents will put their crow high because of hardship. Maybe go now you buy some bag of rice, just buy carry small food stuff, give the man small money, make take drink a small ogogoro. Now the man just happy. Even him mama maybe give him mama like that kind 50,000. The mama just happy because he go say, hey, make this one see come out, make load see reduce. When you dey do the thing they bump, you don't know say you go suffer follow the children, you don't know. Now wetin even they pay me for inside. Mothers, if una born for, if una just born, una just feel say una don born anything when we say the children like me they do, no. You should be the one to cater for your children, because now you bring them on this world. Now you bring them on this world, you should position them. At least if you position them for good road, they go follow the road they go. You no go even feel nowadays una no even dey wait make una children even finish secondary school. Una no dey fit body don dey inch una. Thank God say our great Oba of Benin, Oba Atokpe, he don put an end to this human trafficking. If not, na that kind age before na dead before year. Na they pack, they come, their mama go they say osen la moi. Their mama go even hard to join their age, whereas the children they never even reach. Their mama go add speaking of 12 years, their mama go say, oh, no, make bene chekere no. Or say 16 years in 16 years yoga. Obobo ma chekele, whereas na lie na small girl. But now una she return to now. Hungry now won't shift to now. I won't shift to now waste. Now una come they find pikin wey never even reach 12 years, una they find rich man when won't come now, una go just say I beg marry my pikin. Make una see change, make una change this una character. Make una change because very soon I pray make government really pull us. So any parents wey go born pikin wey no fit take care of, make dem begin dey seize una children the way that they do am for Europe here. For that reason una go stop. At least if na one or two una born, una dey okay with that. Una know say una go fit train dem reach 18 years or 19 years. Yes, they're supposed to dey seize una children the way that they do am for Europe here. For here you no go fit born wetin your power no carry. If they see say your pikin no they misbehave even for school, cloth wey no dey wear no be even his shoe wey your pikin go dey wear from before he enter primary school na marker shoe, he bag, his shoes, everything, clothes, he go dey neat. You think say to get pikin for Europe here, it is easy? No easy. Although the government see they bring some benefits time to time, see they help parents, but you wey be the parents, you need to work. Yes. You must work. You cannot depend on any government money because they can gog you. They can gog you at any time. If you just put mind say government money, Italian government money, when they give Italian bonus, it not the last. It not be like other country when we say their bonus go the last how many years they go Italian. If it will last 1 year, they go stay. You say don't finish, so you go wait for 6 months before another one go come again. You see, so man na dey born pikin wey be so na go fit raise. Where una dey run, una no dey rush go anywhere. If na only one you won't born. If you train your pikin well, put am for direct road, that pikin go remove you for suffer in time coming. Governor wey we get today, president, not be only one there be, not be only one head they get, not be mama born there. If you check family when some of them for come, maybe na only them, na only mama go even born 5. So mama go even born 5 self. Out of that 5, now only one for inside go stand go remove the remaining one from suffer. So if you even get one or two, my dear, the most important is say you train your pikin well. It will become somebody, go become celebrate. The whole world go celebrate her. It does not matter that you must born 6 or 7 first. No. Very soon I pray make Nigeria make they put the law, make they carry children. Whether fear go see let una dey born pian. So the one wey just dey born dey throw away for dustbin, dey throw away for dustbin. The one wey dey leave pikin for gutter, dey leave for gutter. No be that one I wan talk today. That one na story for another day. Mama wey e head really correct. Carry pikin for 9 months after the pain of everything when you take deliver everything, you just open your eye. Carry pikin, you just abandon her. You see her. Then tomorrow now if that pikin swear for you, you no see pikin born, and na the innocent man wey go marry you tomorrow, na him go dey suffer. Na the innocent man go dey cry, and you no go talk truth say see wetin you do, because you no know where you wan find the pikin. Go pikin of the 4 days when you throw away, you know who carry am. You no know. You see the sin wey be say una dey commit for this world. So una no dey born pikin wey be so una no go fit train that place. The time God say medication don dey now, una go hospital, different medication don dey. If na family plan, my dear, go and do. E don't have side effects. Before doctor go even give you the injection, e go test you, you go run some tests on you so that e no go cause any effect for your body. So my dear, go and take that. Raise the children wey be say your power go fit carry to handle. No fit say Amaka get 5, Chidera he get 3, Ejiro he get 4. For that reason, you know how they take, you know how their pocket to reach. For that reason, you want still go imitate them, still raise such pikin. My dear, do the one way your power and your husband carry. Not go imitate anybody. Don't, all fingers are not equal. Yes, because if you give birth to pikin when you go fit train, when be say mama mia, you no go ever fit leave your pikin when be say dey how many years you dey give one yeye ma make e come dey disgwangwa your pikin on the name of marriage. Na poverty, na hunger na cause am. If not be hunger, wetin make that woman now the girl parents wan open I come give such pretty girl wey supposed to sit there that kind JS one, give her heart for marriage just like that. The man, if you even see her. My people, thank you. Please leave your comments, share this video also. Thank you so much, guys. Much love. Share this video. Thank you.